everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters, and I have some great news. We have just hired a brother trainer, and she is here with me. This is Jocelyn, and I'm going to let her tell you what's going to be coming up soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Jocelyn Sparkles, the new brother trainer at Quilt Quarter. If you have bought a brother machine ever from the Quilt Quarter and you'd like a refresher course, please call to schedule that. Let's take your sewing to the next level together.
Absolutely. We are so excited about that. All of these machines, whether it be entry level all the way to top of the line, these machines have parts and pieces that you might have not even opened up or pulled out of your box. There's things that you could experience and learn on your current machine. And we have Jocelyn here that is here ready to teach you and give you that refresher course and get to learn your machine better. So give us a call today and schedule your refresher course. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye.